All right, so I'm going to go over an example on each part to help you out a little bit to help alleviate some issues. So first one, we have a balloon shaped as a sphere. So we know we are going to be doing a sphere, so 4/3 times pi times our radius cubed. I'm not going to put that r there just yet. Well, actually, I will. I'll work this first one, and then the other parts, I'm just going to write the word answer so y'all can actually solve it yourself. So here we have the small balloon, and it has a diameter, so we know we need to divide the diameter by 2. So 0.8 divided by 2 is going to be 0.4. And remember, we need to cube it. So when I put this into my calculator, I'm going to get roughly 0.27. So this gives me the volume here. This is per cubic foot. And the cost of the balloon is right here. So it's going to be one balloon, or $1 per balloon, plus 75 cents per cubic foot. So what we need to do here is obviously one balloon is obviously going to cost $1. And then we need to add the 75 cents, but we have to multiply that 75 cents times our cubic feet, which was our volume, which is 0.27. So when we put this into the calculator, we're going to get one balloon cost $1.20. And then the cost of 50 balloons, all we have to do is 1.20 or 1.2 times 50. And that's going to give us how much it's going to cost for one balloon. So same thing on this one. It's going to be $1 plus 75 cents times whatever the volume is. Same thing here, $1 plus 75 cents times whatever this volume is. Whatever these volumes are, you're putting right here. So next part is for our cake. So again, I'm not really going to do too much for you because I don't want to give the answer to you. So we know we have a height of 4 inches, right? So 4 inches are height, and it's a cylinder. So here are my diameters. So obviously layer 1, layer 2, layer 3. So here what we need to do is it's going to be pi times radius squared times height. And here's all my information that I need right here for option 1. Pi times radius squared times height, pi times radius squared times height. And then I'm going to get these answers. I'll write answer 1, answer 2, answer 3, or volume, I should say. Volume 1, volume 2, volume 3. When you get all these answers, those answers, you need to add them all up because they're layers of a cake. So they're all going to be in the price, right? So answer 1, answer 2, answer 3, again, these are the volume. You're going to get the total answer. So the total answer. So in order to get the cost, so if this green one was option 1, your total answer multiplied by 50 cents per cubic inch. Because this answer is going to be in cubic inches because, again, this is the volume of that cake. So the total amount or total answer times 0.50 is going to give you the cost of option 1. And you're going to do the same thing for this. You're going to add this and this and this to give you an answer. And then that answer needs to be multiplied again by 50 cents. And that will give you your cost. And then you'll figure out all the information. Last is the party favors. So everyone likes a good party favor, and it tells you that it is a cone, and the cup this cone has a height of 5 inches, and then it gives you this information here. So for this cone radius, what you're going to need to do is you're going to do the volume of this cone, so 1/3 times pi times the radius squared times height, and that is going to give you your volume. It tells you right here that it is 6 cents per cubic inch. So it's going to be 6 cents per cubic inch. So your volume right here, your volume is going to be multiplied by 0.06 or 0.06. And that's going to give you how much it will cost to fill up this cone. So the cone. And then from there, the cost of the cone, the cost of this cone times, obviously, 75 people. And you're going to do the same thing for this. You're going to get the volume, then volume times 0.06. And that's going to give you this answer. And then you're going to multiply it by 75. And the same thing here. So I hope this helps. And if you have any other questions, just raise your hand.